Hello dear students, I'm Assistant Professor Ushali Ahir, and in the today's session of fermentation technology, we are going to study about the production of vinegar or the fermentation of vinegar. Now, the production of acetic acid in the form of vinegar from alcoholic liquids, it has been known from centuries. And in this session, we will be studying in detail about the production of these vinegars by the fermentation process. Now, vinegar, that is a aqueous solution of acetic acid, is used as a condiment and a pickling agent. Vinegar is generally, in simple word, is an aqueous solution which contains about 4% by volume of acetic acid and small quantities of alcohol, salts, sugars and esters. विनेगर में 4% एसिटिक एसिड प्रेजेंट होता है एज वेल एज उसमें अल्कोहल्स, सॉल्ट्स, शुगर्स एंड ईस्टर्स भी प्रेजेंट होते हैं एंड इट इज़ वाइडली यूज्ड एज अ फ्लेवरिंग एजेंट for processed liquid food such as sauces and ketchups. Basically, these vinegars, they can be produced by different methods or various raw materials like wine, which is the starting material for the vinegar production. It may be white wine, red wine, sherry wine, as well as it also contains whey, malts with low alcohol content, then fruit, must, malted barley, pure alcohols can be used for the production of vinegars. So this was the general introduction about the vinegar. Then we will study about the background. Now vinegar, it is the product made from the conversion of ethyl alcohol to the acetic acid by the genus of bacteria Acetobacter. So generally here the Acetobacter species is used which oxidizes ethanol to acetic acid. एसिटोबैक्टर पहले क्या करता है, ऑक्सीडेशन, इथेनॉल का ऑक्सीडेशन कैरिड आउट करता है टू एसिटिक एसिड एंड देन CO2 and H2O. These over oxidizers are gram negative and acid tolerance. For example, Acetobacter acti, Acetobacter peroxidans, Acetobacter purpurinus are the different species of Acetobacter which can be used for the production of vinegar. So these vinegar can be produced from any alcoholic material, from alcohol water mixture to various fruit wines. And the color or the aroma or the taste of these vinegar, it completely depends on the type of substrate used for the production of vinegar. Then we studied the history of vinegar. generally, um, vinegar has been known and consumed for a long, or as long as the art of winemaking was being practiced, and it is dated at least 10,000 years before. जब वाइन बननी शुरू हो गई थी, या फिर उस दरमियान vinegar production have been started, it is considered that near about 10,000 years back. Since then the vinegar is utilized, and it is name also is given on the basis of the content of the wine. Means the word vinegar, it is derived from the two French words, in which the word is wine. This VIN, wine, it means wine. ये VIN का मतलब होता है wine. And the second one is agar, AIGRE, it means sour. तो ये जो vinegar है, that vinegar is made up of two words, wine and agar, which means a sour wine. Means the Latin word actum, Latin का जो word होता है actum, it means literally sour or the sharp wine. So it can be assumed that the first vinegar used by the ancient people was simply the spoiled wine. अभी जैसा इसका नाम दिया गया है, it has the sour wine taste. sour wine की जैसी टेस्ट होती है, वैसी टेस्ट विनेगर की होती है. सो इन एशियन टाइम इट इज़ अज्यूम्ड दैट कि जब सबसे पहला वाइन जब बना होगा, दैट एट दैट टाइम इट माइट बी अ स्पॉइल्ड वाइन. कोई भी स्पॉइल्ड वाइन may be utilized as a vinegar for the first time. In fact, the flavor vinegar have been manufactured and sold for almost 5,000 years ago. So this is all about the history of vinegar. Let's not go in more detail about it. Now there are the different types of vinegar, and these vinegars are designated, all these types of vinegars are according to the nature of raw materials used for the production of vinegar. जिस टाइप का रॉ मटेरियल यूज किया होगा, according to that raw material the type of vinegar changes. The predominant type of vinegar in the United States is the white or the distilled vinegar, which is produced from the grain. So we will study the types of vinegars in detail. The first type of vinegar is balsamic vinegar. Now the balsamic vinegar, it is brown in color with sweet sour flavor, and it is generally made from the grapes. The type of grape used here is white Trebbiano grape and aged in barrels. These grapes or the grape juice are aged or kept in the barrels for the long time, which is made from the wood. वुडन बैरल्स में ये ग्रेप्स जूस क्या किया जाता है, बहुत टाइम के लिए रखा जाता है, एंड आफ्टर दैट इट इज़ कन्वर्टेड इनटू sweet sour flavor, which is known as balsamic vinegar. Some balsamic vinegars it is found that they are over 100 years old, which has a high demand in the market. Then the second type of vinegar is the cane vinegar. Now the name itself indicate it is made from the fermented sugar cane and has very mild, rich, sweet flavor. And in the Philippines, it is widely used for the cooking purposes. Then the third type of vinegar is the champagne vinegar. Now, sorry, such type of vinegar, it does not have any kind of bubbles. It is made from still dry white wine, and these white wine, ऐसी वाइट वाइन यूज़ की जाती है जो वाइट वाइन ग्रेप्स को यूज़ करके, या फिर द चार्डोनेरी और पायोनेट नॉयर ग्रेप, they are both the types of grapes which are used for the production of champagne. Such grapes are used for the production of champagne vinegar. Then the next type is cider vinegar. This cider vinegar, it is made from the apples, and it is most popular vinegar used for the cooking in the United States. एप्पल यूज़ करके या फिर एप्पल जूस यूज़ करके ये विनेगर बनाया जाता है, एंड यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर द कुकिंग पर्पसेस. Then the next type of vinegar is the coconut vinegar. Coconut vinegar, it is generally low acidic in nature with musty flavor, and it has a very unique taste, and generally it is used in the Thai dishes. Then the next type of vinegar is distilled vinegar. It is quite harsh vinegar which is made from the grains, and usually it is colorless in nature. And such harsh vinegar or the distilled vinegar, it is used for the pickling purposes. Next type of vinegar is the malt vinegar. The malt vinegar, it is popular in England. It is made from fermented barley and grain mash, and after fermentation of this barley, the flavor of this vinegar, it is increased by storing it within the wooden barrels. It has hearty flavor and is often served with the various seafoods like fishes and chips. The next type of vinegar is the rice or the wine vinegar. Generally, this rice and wine vinegar, it is used in various Chinese products. There are three kinds of rice wine vinegar. First one is red, which is used as a dip for food and condiments in the soups. Then the white rice wine, it is mostly sweet and sour dishes this vinegar is used. And the last type of rice wine vinegar is black vinegar, which are commonly used in the stir fries and dressing purposes. So this was about the rice wine vinegar. The next type of vinegar is the sherry vinegar. Now this sherry vinegar is aged under full heat of the sun. मतलब वुडन बैरल्स को अंडर सनलाइट रखा जाता है, एंड due to the heating of the sun, the flavor is increased of the sherry vinegar and it has nutty sweet taste. And the last type of vinegar is wine vinegar. It can be made from white or रेड और रोज़ वाइन. वाइट, रेड या फिर रोज़ वाइन यूज़ करके हम वाइन विनेगर बना सकते हैं. एंड दिस विनेगर मेक द बेस्ट सलाद ड्रेसिंग. So these was all the different types of vinegars, and the different types of vinegars are according to the raw material used for the production. Then the vinegar qualities and characteristics. Now, different characteristics and the qualities of vinegars, they are completely dependent upon the raw material used for the production, then the conditions where it is stored, as well as acidification rate or the speed. So, the rate of fermentation influences the sensory properties of the final vinegar. अगर फर्मेंटेशन का रेट चेंज हो जाता है ड्यूरिंग द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ विनेगर, तो सेंसिटिविटी या फिर सेंसरी प्रॉपर्टीज विनेगर की क्या होती है, डिस्टर्ब होती है या फिर चेंज हो सकती है. बट इट इज़ ऑल्सो सेड दैट इट कैन नॉट हैव एनी चेंजेस इन दैट. Generally, vinegar is produced by the submerged or the surface or generator process. Now, vinegar aroma means the smell of vinegar. The characterization of vinegar includes a wide range of value obtained from physiochemical and sensory parameters. And the quality and aroma of these vinegar can be characterized by different analytical parameters. So this was all about the characterization of vinegar.